What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit since I posted, about 2 weeks, but the fishing's been super hard. Me and Gabby, we just got out here on the lake. We're gonna see if we can catch any fish today. It's been rough, but we're gonna be using spinnerbaits. We're gonna do a spinnerbait challenge. It's gonna be a big spinnerbait versus a little spinnerbait. I'm gonna show you our setups here in a minute, but we're gonna see which spinnerbait catches more fish. So spinnerbait challenge.
Let's go.
Let's get into the video. Alright guys, well these are the two comparisons of the spinnerbaits. This is the bigger one and this is the tiny one. Me and Gabby are gonna be using them today. She's using hers on a spinning rod and I have mine on a bait casting rod. So we're gonna see which one catches more fish today. That's the challenge for today's video. Alright guys, well I decided to do the spinnerbait challenge today because right now here in Michigan it's getting super cold right now. The weather's transitioning to fall weather, so the water's getting super cold and the bite is super hard. We've been coming out here the past week or so and really haven't been catching anything, maybe like 1 or 2 fish every time we come out. So when you're using these spinner baits, these are super good in cold water. I'm gonna just work the banks right now, just all shallow water. Just throw it out and reel it in, and hopefully we can get on some big fish today. There's one. He hit it super hard. Nice bass. See it?
Yeah. Throwing it back, right?
Yeah. I don't keep bass. Alright guys, well the first fish was caught on the big spinnerbait. We're gonna keep fishing and see who catches the most fish, but the first one was on the big spinnerbait. Pretty good fish too. Alright, we're releasing him back into the water. See ya, buddy. He's trying to fly.
It's fun time.
Whoa. There's one.
Really?
Big one. Grab the camera. Grab it. Oh. I don't even know what this is. It looked like it's a big bass. Film me. Big bass.
Great.
Holy crap. Monster bass on the spinnerbait. Film me.
I'm filming the fish.
No, film me. All right, guys, monster bass on the big spinnerbait. That's the second fish already on the spinnerbait. Freaking monster. It's probably a 3-4 pounder right there. That's a big one for this season right now. So beautiful fish, super clean, super healthy fish, really green too. So let's get some pictures and get some videos, and we're gonna release him back into the water. All right guys, we're gonna release this monster bass. Guys, well, me and Gabby are headed to the next spot. Right now, this big spinnerbait is winning. I have 2 decent sized fish. Gabby
Doesn't know how to fish.
Yeah,
Anymore.
you're right. Gabby
I
has
give up.
Gabby has the little spinnerbait, or the tiny spinnerbait, if you want to call it. But she hasn't had any bites yet. She's gonna keep casting and keep working it. There was a big fish right there, just jumped. So maybe if Gabby throws over there, she'll catch it, right?
Yeah, maybe.
All right, we're gonna head to the next spot and hopefully Gabby can get on a big one for the little spinnerbait. Alright guys, well that's gonna end today's video. Me and Gabby were out here around like 2 hours or so. The sun's going down, so we gotta head in. But the bigger spinnerbait won today. Gabby ended up not catching anything. The bite's super hard right now, so it kind of sucks we're not catching a ton of fish, but I wanted to make a quick video for you guys because a lot of people have been messaging me about when my next video is going to go up. So I thought I'd do a quick video today. Big spinnerbait won. Make sure to try some spinnerbaits when it gets cold like this. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
See ya.